तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हमसे पूछ रहे थे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में कौन सी प्रोग्रामिंग का इस्तेमाल ज़्यादा हो रहा है। तो सबसे ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है पाइथन लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए कंफर्टेबल है ये लैंग्वेज। तो आज हम इसी के बारे में आप लोगों से पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। तो पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग, ये आपका आज का मेन उद्देश्य है। तो सबसे पहले आप इंट्रोडक्शन को समझ लीजिए कि इंट्रोडक्शन टू पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग। तो इसको आप समझिए बिल्कुल बिगिनर टू इंटरमीडिएट स्तर तक हम आपको बताएंगे, हर एक पॉइंट को आपको सिखाएंगे। इसके बाद हम इस लाइव के बाद हमारी जो क्लासेस चलेंगी वो सारी क्लासेस चलेंगी, हम वीडियो आपको डालेंगे, उसमें पूरे बाकायदे हर एक चीज़ फॉर्मेट पे स्लाइड्स आपको मिल जाएंगी और आप उसमें देखेंगे, जहाँ पर जिस तरीके से उसके एग्जाम्पल्स, उसके कार्य जो भी है, उसके बेनिफिट्स, एडवांटेज, डिसएडवांटेज, की फीचर्स, तो सब बिल्कुल आप स्लाइड्स में आपको मिलेगा। इसलिए लाइव क्लास में जो आए हैं उनके लिए वो डबल फ़ायदा हो जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले वेलकम टू टुडे लेक्चर्स पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग, one of the most important programming language for artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, data science, automation and web development. If AI is the brain of the modern technology, then Python is the language that help us build that brain. You understand? Today we will learn Python for basic and understand why it has become the first choice for artificial intelligence engineers, uh, artificial intelligence engineers and data scientists. Today learning is objectives. After completing these lectures, student will be able to first point understanding Python and its history. Second, know why Python is popular. Installed Python and versus VS Code and write their first Python programs. Understand variable data types. Learn operators. Take user inputs. Perform basic calculations and write simple Python program. Today learning objective. And what is Python? Now let's begin. What is Python? Python is a high level interpreted object oriented and general purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. In 1991, Python focus on simplicity. Python focus on simplicity and readability, making it one of the easiest language. Why the Python developed? Why the Python developed? The main objective were easy to read. Main objective were easy to read, easy to write, easy to maintain, portable, open source and powerful. Now, feature of Python. First, easy syntax. Python uses simple English like syntax. Examples: Python print hello words. And second, source, जिसको बोलते हैं ओपन सोर्स. Python is a free for everyone. Python is a free for everyone. And third, platform independent. Python runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS without changing the code. Without changing the code. And fourth, interpreted language. Python execute code line by line. Python execute code line by line. No completion is required. And fifth, object oriented. And Python is a object oriented language, supports classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and 6 point large library supports. Python provides thousands of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Metaplot library, skitlearn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Application of Pythons. So Python is used in artificial intelligence. Examples: ChatGPT recommended systems and machine learning, spam detecting, fraud detection, and diseases prediction in health sectors. Data science and data analysis, visualizations, and predictions. Web developments framework, Django, Flask, Fast AI, and now automation. Automation, automatic repetitive task, and cyber security, ethical hacking, presenting, testing, and next robotics, autonomous robots, industrial automations. Now, how to install the Python programming language? First step: download Python for python.org websites, and second issue and second steps: install Python, check and two path. Step 3: verify installations. Open command prompts, Python versions और Python थर्ड वर्जन्स, आप Python वर्जन्स ले सकते हैं, Python 3 वर्जन्स आप इंस्टॉल करें. इंस्टॉलिंग वर्सेस कोड. इंस्टॉलिंग वर्सेस कोड, तो डाउनलोड वर्सेस VS कोड. इंस्टॉलिंग VS कोड. इंस्टॉल Python extension. Open any folder. Install Python extension. Open any folder and create hello.py. Create hello.py. And first Python program, print ब्रैकेट में डबल इन्वर्टेड hello words. ठीक है, सिंपल ब्रैकेट. आउटपुट hello words. Multiple print statements. Hello prints welcome, prints Python programming, print artificial intelligence, and comments single line comments. This is a comment and has installed multiple line Pythons में. This is multiple line comments is accepted. Variables store data. So examples: Python is name, variable is name, Rahul's name, age, and salary. This is the examples of variable store data. The variable naming rules, correct or wrong? Variable naming rules are correct or wrong? Correct: student's name, marks, and age. Wrong is class for. Data types are integers, float, strings, booleans. Checking data types. So print types and name, print types, age. This is the checking data types. Input functions, name, input, enter your names. Okay, print name. So integer inputs, age is equal to int inputs, enter names, print age. Float inputs, Python, salary is equal to float input, enter the salary. And operators, Python operators, arithmetics operators in Python, plus, minus, SS, slash, percentage. It's on examples of Python's is equal to 20, b is equal to 3 is the mathematical operators are the Python operators. Comparison operators, examples Python print 10 is greater than 5, and assignment operators is that is equal to plus is equal to minus is equal to. Logical operators such as and or not is the logical operators in Python. ठीक है, for examples a true and b is false, तो print a and b, तो print a or b. Okay, the first program area of rectangle, and second simple interest. You create the programs and run. So third program is swap two numbers, and program fourth is find maximum numbers. Common errors in Python's syntax errors, name errors, type errors, identification error. Now advantage of Python's: easy to learn, beginners friendly, huge community, free and open source, AI and ML supports, cross platforms, fast development in Python's advantage. Now interactive questions and Python's. First, who developed Python? Who developed? Guido van Rossum. And second question, in which year was Python released? 1991 is released. Which function is used to display output? Print. Which function is used to take input from the user's input? Which library is widely used for machine learning? Scikit-learn. And today we learn these live sessions, these topics, and summarize the summary of the whole lectures. Introduction to Python's, features of Python's and applications of Python, installation process, VS Code setups, first programs, variables, data types, operators, and input functions, basic program, common errors. Today lectures to complete the sessions and assignment, note down. First, write a Python programs to calculate the area of a circles, and second, write a Python program to find the largest of three numbers, and third, write a Python program to swap two numbers without using a third variables. Write a Python program to calculate the average of five numbers. Write a Python program to convert temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit to and this lecture is the end, and thank you. Stay tuned, keep learning, and subscribe, like, and shares. Visit this videos and live session. Thank you for watching.